Tired of razor burns and painful waxing? What if I told you that you could remove unwanted hair using just 3 ingredients from your kitchen? Stick around, because this DIY sugar wax will change everything. Welcome to MTH Health, your go-to channel for natural wellness and health tips. In this video, learn to make sugar wax at home. It's gentle, affordable, and beginner-friendly. Perfect if you want an all-natural way to stay smooth. Sugar waxing, or sugaring, is an ancient method. It originated in the Middle East, using just 3 ingredients: sugar, lemon juice, and water. No chemicals, no irritation. It pulls hair from the root, causing less discomfort. Great for sensitive skin or those avoiding harsh products. Here's what you'll need to get started: 1 cup of white sugar, 1/4 cup of lemon juice, and 1/4 cup of water. A small saucepan and a glass jar for storage. Optionally, a candy thermometer to check temperature. Step 1. Combine the sugar, lemon juice, and water in your saucepan. Step 2. Stir over medium heat until it bubbles. Step 3. Keep stirring until it turns golden, about 7 to 10 minutes. Step 4. Remove it from heat when ready. Step 5. Cool for 30 minutes before use. Step 6. Store in a clean glass jar. The texture should feel warm and sticky like honey. Make sure the skin is clean and dry before applying. Scoop a bit of wax using your fingers or a spatula. Apply it against hair growth, pulling it off in the same direction. Use a cloth strip for easier removal. No need to heat it again, just warm in your hands. Sugaring offers longer-lasting results than shaving. Expect smoother skin for up to 3 weeks. Less painful and gentle, no damage to the skin. Eliminate razor bumps, cuts, and post-shave itchiness. Eco-friendly, cost-effective, and free of artificial ingredients too. After waxing, rinse the area with cool water. Apply aloe vera gel or coconut oil to soothe. Avoid hot showers or heavy sweating for 24 hours. This reduces the risk of ingrown hairs. Always patch test for allergies before full application. Got questions? Let's tackle some FAQs. Can I reuse the wax? Absolutely, just warm it slightly. Does it hurt? Not as much, it's gentler and more tolerable. Best time to wax? After a shower for clean, open pores. Can I use it on sensitive areas? Yes, but test a small patch first. How often? Every 2 to 3 weeks, depending on your hair growth. And there you have it, your DIY sugar wax. Natural, effective, and budget-friendly. Try it out and share your experience in the comments. Hit the like button if this helped you. Subscribe to MTH Health for more natural remedies and health tips. Turn on the bell so you never miss a video.